boiled eggs and avocado, and some lemon ginger tea with honey. Morning, guys. Welcome back to my chat session. It's Monday morning. I'm running a little behind this morning, trying to get it together. It's so good sometimes, y'all. That many plans for today. Just go to work. I might actually work out today. I don't know if I'm gonna go to the gym or if I'm gonna just do some Zumba. I didn't have time to get up and cook my boiled eggs, so. Because like I said, I'm running behind, so I ain't had time. I kind of overslept this morning. I got up later than what I had planned on getting up. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm taking my lunch. I didn't know that. I think I'm gonna take a frozen meal. Get some veggie straws for snack. And maybe some tea and some water. A little lemon to it. Well, you know what I think I'm gonna do? Squash that. I'm not gonna take a frozen meal. I'm gonna take some leftovers, just like a little bit left. Why my parts be looking so wide? Well, I think making parts is kind of like when you do a messy bun on top of your head. You can't think about it, you just gotta do it. I'm trying to part it so it don't look so thin, like one part of my head at the top looking real thin. And I hate when somebody come to my desk and they be like standing over me. They can like see and I can feel self-conscious about it. Which I know I probably should, but I can't help it. It might not even be paying attention to the top of my head. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. But yeah, just did a little tuck on my hair. Nothing special. Just a little something. Tuck it up under. You know. Some 2 minutes, if that, to do my hair. I need to make me a hair appointment and get my hair cut some more. I'm not gonna wear no makeup today. I don't wear makeup like that. Well, my BB cream. Like every so often, not all the time. Just like be makeup free a little bit. Sometimes. Maybe if I had to get up earlier. All I did is put some coconut oil on my hair. Just tucked it under with the flat iron. I need to flex it rider, so if I flex it rider, I'll record it for you all. It's gonna be a trip because my hair's short in there, so when I flex it rider, you sliding out and don't want to do it. Oop. My lunch for today. Peach water, lemon, an NRG vitamin. If you guys want to know how you can get the NRG vitamin and would like more information about it, just hit me up on my comment. Veggie straws,